Good morning, good morning. Today is Wednesday, the 5th of August, 2026. Almost 20 till 5, 74 degrees, going to 80. Back down to about 70. Today, tomorrow, and Friday. 70, 71 at night, 80 during the day. Saturday it gets back to 90, but still staying in the low 70s. Then the low 90s Sunday, low 70s. We are on our way up to Lake Hartwell. We want to get some video around Livonia, Toccoa, Lake Hartwell. We plan on getting some drone video with the new DJI Air 3S. We haven't been on the road in a while, so we may head across to my daughter's, head across US 76. All the way across the top end of Georgia from maybe Clayton or somewhere up there. We're recording this with the Samsung S22 Ultra. We should be, or we will be documenting, development and change. Trying to document as much of where we travel as we can, because everything is growing and changing so fast. We're in the 2019 Express van 3500 extended. Average economy 17 miles a gallon. Average speed 29.3. We have 186,977 miles on it now. We bought it with 163.7. Just changed the transmission fluid again, a pan drop only, not a, and this is where the deer, which you just saw, I guess, crossing the road, smashed into our, at full speed, smashed into us in our white 97 Cherokee, tearing up both driver's side doors. We've replaced the driver's door, but we haven't replaced the passenger door yet. But that is a high deer crossing area there. Okay, we're going to turn this off until we get closer. We're going to be going 85 north. Until we get closer, we'll catch maybe the racetrack. And if we see any blue light special on the way, we may get that. But we'll cut this off for right now. We will start uploading this about the time we get on 85, I guess. So this way y'all will know what we're doing the next day or so, and possibly over the weekend if we end up in Ackworth or Calhoun or wherever up there in northwest Georgia. Okay, we're going to be coming up on 85 at the Jefferson exit. I think it is 136, 137, but I'm not sure. We're going to be doing reviews of products all weekend. We'll be reviewing the DJI Air 3S combo. We'll be reviewing the S26, the Samsung S26, the DJI Osmo Action 5, the Ugreen 100-watt charger, and the Ugreen high or fast charging cables. A couple of other products, different things. Probably our new. We haven't unboxed it yet. Our air conditioning gauge set. Probably our shoes that we got from Amazon. The Fit something other. We'll show you what they are, but I've liked them so far. And right now we're going to this QT over here. It's a QT truck stop, and I think they allow overnight parking here. Now they've just opened a QT truck stop, or I guess I need to call it a fuel center in Oconee County, because it is not. It doesn't allow any overnight, just fueling. And it is right there on 129-441, where business 129-441 split off and go through Watkinsville. It's the south bypass, I guess you'd call it. We'll go ahead and start uploading this video from here, and we'll go ahead and put another camera on and let you see the quick trip truck stop video here. We're planning on going to the Loves, I think it's exit 4 in South Carolina, and filling up with gas. Getting video there and getting video of Livonia, Toccoa, drone video at Lake Hartwell, maybe 5-fish video or underwater submersible video if the water is clear and we can get it to operate correctly. There's nothing wrong with it, I don't think. We just haven't been able to get it to function right. We're going to go ahead and get video uploaded here, or started uploading. Should upload pretty quick, that way y'all know what we're doing this weekend. And we're going to go in and get a coffee. And then we'll get back on the road. And hit up 85. So let's turn this one off right now. We'll put another one on, let you just see the truck stop activity here. So this will be a wrap.